Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? Welcome back. Today, we're taking a deep dive into SOXL, providing you with a more detailed analysis than ever before. To stay up to date with our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Missing out on crucial updates that could impact your investments is the last thing you want. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is purely for informational purposes and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified SOXL as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 5.58. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 20.46% since we first recommended SOXL as a buy candidate just 8 days ago. This translates to an average return of 2.56% per day since it was identified as a strong buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 18.65% change expected over the next 3 months. This indicates a possible return between minus 49.81% and minus 18.65%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 50.18% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 1.72% to 114.77%. In other words, the price could range from $22.52 to $47.55 after 12 months. Our latest update on the SOXL ETF reveals an impressive gain of 10.59% on Tuesday. During the last trading day, the SOXL ETF price fluctuated between a day low of $21.38 and a day high of $22.39, ultimately closing at $22.14. This marks a significant increase from its previous value of $20.02. Over the past 2 weeks, the ETF has risen by a remarkable 48.59%, with positive volume and price trends. In fact, 37 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, totaling 93 million shares and approximately $2.06 billion in value. Looking at the ETF's performance over the past 52 weeks, its highest price was $28.75, while the lowest price was $8.74. Currently, the price is 22.99%, equivalent to $6.61, below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 94.15%, equivalent to $356.10, below the all-time high achieved on November 26, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. Today, let's take a look at the signals for SOXL, an ETF worth considering. The chart shows mostly positive signals for SOXL. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a buy, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relation between the two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a decline, there is expected support at $19.52 and $18.16. However, breaking below these levels will issue sell signals. On Monday, October 30, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a significant rise of 52.37% so far. This suggests that there may be further upward movement until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, which is a positive technical indicator. Volume is also rising along with the price, further supporting the buy signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is giving a buy signal. Another interesting signal is the pivots, which gave a buy signal 12 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator also provided a buy signal 125 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, we can see a buy signal 11 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 9 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe a buy signal for the short moving average 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 41 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. When it comes to support, the ETF has some key levels to watch out for. Just below today's level, there is support at $20.60 and $18.64. These levels indicate where buying interest has previously been strong, and they might provide a cushion for the ETF's price. However, it's important to keep in mind that if the current support level is broken, the ETF could potentially drop to the next support level at $18.64 and $17.43. Moving on to risk, it's worth noting that this ETF can be quite volatile. Its price may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, which makes it a high-risk investment. Additionally, the Bollinger Band, a technical indicator, suggests a wide range of potential price movement for this ETF. Looking at the numbers, the ETF's price has moved $1.01 between its highest and lowest points in the last day, representing a 4.72% change. Over the past week, it has shown an average daily volatility of 5.94%. These figures highlight the potential ups and downs that investors should be aware of. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for SOXL. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $22.60. So, if you don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $20.60. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $21.40, which is a decrease of 3.34%. This particular ETF experiences significant daily movements, which inherently comes with a higher level of risk. The RSI 14 is currently at 83, which further increases the risk associated with this investment. However, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 11 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? Despite the ETF being in a falling trend, we believe that the SOXL ETF is a favorable choice at its current levels. We expect it to perform very well in the next 3 months. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a hold/accumulate to a strong buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For Wednesday, November 15th, we anticipate that the SOXL ETF will open with a decrease of $0.170 and begin trading at $21.97. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buy or sell decisions for securities. Please be aware that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By using the information provided, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We're also curious to know what your target for the ETF is. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us.